We are looking at the Master Lock 4400D Bluetooth padlock. So this is activated by Bluetooth by your cell phone. So works with any cell phone. I have a Galaxy S6 Edge here. You need to download the Master Lock Bolt app. Okay, it says lock found. Next. Share with trusted friends, family, colleagues. And you can set the date, time, whenever you want to let somebody in. We're going to do unlimited access. Next. Get started. Tap the plus button up here. So to get started, we need to cut the tab here and get the activation code. So I got a scissors here. We're going to cut these little tabs. So the activation code is inside here. So there it is on this piece of paper. It's on the sticker when you start to unfold the instructions. Next, enter the activation code. So it is A 0 5 3. Now it's registering the Bluetooth lock, it says. It's registered. Hello, press any button to unlock your lock. There it is. Unlocked. Did you hear it? It's open. Showing on the app. Unlocked. There it is. Push it down, it's locked again. It's telling me it's open on my smartphone and now it's locked again. Hit the blue, it's activated, unlocked. So I'm next to it. Isn't that great? Go back. It's locked. Got my bolt. Touch the lock. Senses that I'm near and unlocks it. Isn't that great?